you steel, and then they ask you it is from which one, then you have to know steel is from alloy, like the which topic like that lah. Okay, because this chapter is called the manufactured substance in what industry, I think. So industry, they manufacture different types of substance, and steel is come from the alloy. So what is the first thing you have to know about alloy here? Aims of making alloy. First, aim of making alloy. Why aims of making alloy is important? Because that is the advantage, the good thing about alloy. After you upgrade it, 你升级它就是为了达到这个 to improve the appearance. So that means it has a better appearance for alloy. It can increase the resistance to corrosion. That means you can write alloy has higher resistance to corrosion. Alloy is harder and stronger. 这个是一个很有用的答案. It's like one of the very useful answer to be put in alloy. Later you will see the question lah. Okay, alloy has quite a high chance to come out. It's either structure or essay with the chapter 5 together, chapter 4 together, maybe, we do not, 3 chapters together. So here, what do I say? Oh yeah, they like to ask you why alloy is hard, why alloy is harder, but the pure metal is not that hard because of, first thing, size. The atomic size in a pure metal is same size. This one is different size. Later we will do this in the question. Same size, different size. And then arrangement, because of different size, the arrangement will be disrupted. Or you can say it is not orderly arranged, but this is orderly arranged. ARRANGED. Wow, sorry. Never mind. Okay, orderly arranged. And lastly, because their arrangement is disrupted, very messy, so it is hard to slide. This one is easy to slide. Okay, then okay, next, okay, example of alloy. Example of alloy. Bronze and brass is one of the very common one that always come up. Bronze, as I told you, the way we remember is bro. Your bro is like, hey bro, you describe your bro as very thin. Your bro very thin. So got tin, bro, tin. So copper and tin. Brass, a lot of brass. We wear a lot of brass, then very tight in Mandarin is very zinc. Okay, so brass comes with zinc. Duralumin, all these pewter, steel, stainless steel, you see, actually there is not a shortcut, but it's like a juri ayam punya method. Percentage no need to know. All the alloy also got copper, except for steel and stainless steel. So that means when they ask you duralumin, from here you already know the main source is aluminium. If they ask you one more, you give copper, okay? If they ask one more, magnesium. For pewter, it is tin, copper, and then antimony. So you have to remember all this composition. Stainless steel is iron, carbon, and chromium. Just like that, 加油，这个自己背，memorize yourself. For glass and ceramic, the differences. So first, differences. Glass is transparent. Ceramic is opaque. This is the first differences from the appearance. And then the second thing is glass is made up of sand. but then you don't write sand. You have to write silica or silicon dioxide, whichever one also can. Glass, silicon dioxide. Ceramic is made of clay or kaolin. Kaolin. For ceramic, can actually write clay. For ceramic, can write clay, but for glass, cannot write sand. Okay, here, similarities is in terms of their property. Both are hard but brittle. That means they are very hard, but they break very easily. Chemically inert, just like plastic. Electrical and heat insulator, just like that. And then uses of ceramic, this one are not very important, common sense. Type of glass. Wait, sorry, ceramic haven't finished. Here, ceramic has two types, traditional ceramic and advanced ceramic. Advanced ceramic is clay, the kaolin plus oxide, carbide, and the nitrite. Advanced means it's like the vulcanized rubber. 加工, they level up, they add things into the clay to make it better. So what they add? Oxide, carbide, or nitrite. Just like that. You can remember this very good already. Example, maybe remember one of bricks. Bricks is 砖头啦. Pottery, your mangkok is what already, or bowl. Bowl, the clay pot, all those things. And then this one is brake disc. You know what's brake disc? 那个 when your car want to brake, got a this one. That one lah. Okay. That's all for ceramic. And then now glass. There are 4 types of glass. But the most important one are soda lime, borosilicate, and lead crystal. Because they are special glass. Fused glass is the cheapest, simplest glass. Because they only use sand. They melt the sand, then they get this fused glass already. But if you want to have a higher quality glass, specific function, you have to add something else. See, all the upgraded glass has silicon dioxide. They all have sodium carbonate. So remember, silicon dioxide, sodium carbonate. Everybody also got one. And then the next thing is going to decide what type of glass they are. Calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is also known as limestone, right? So you see, lime, soda lime glass. Okay, then when you have boron oxide, borosilicate. When the glass has lead crystal glass. So borosilicate, lead crystal, and also soda lime. You can remember 3 composition is very, very good already. Then don't forget, this is also very important, the specific properties for each of the glass. Soda lime is easy to mold and shape. That's why they are widely used in making containers, bottles. Can be shaped easily. Okay, and like the Coke that is put in glass bottle one, that one is also soda lime glass. No, I think that is cheap glass. Okay, I mean better quality one, the Tupperware one. Then borosilicate glass withstand wide range of temperature change. You can write this one, or low expansion coefficient, which means they doesn't expand or contract a lot. Okay, not sensitive to the change in temperature. Example, cookware, lead glassware, boiling tube, or those. Lastly, lead crystal glass has high refractive index. Can be used to make crystal, prism, or decorative, the light decoration, those crystals that or diamond are made of glass. So remember soda lime, easy to mold, so used to make bottle or containers. Tahan panas, withstand heat, then cookware. High refractive index, prism or crystal or lens also can. Done. Last part, composite material. Composite material is the combination of, let's say, we learned alloy, we also learned polymer in chapter 4, we got alloy, polymer, we got glass, we got ceramic. We can actually mix different things together to become a composite material. Composite material usually consists of a strengthening substance and also contains a matrix substance. Just in case they ask you, but if they ask you also, like I think 1 mark, they will ask you, okay, in this thing, which part is maybe strengthening, which part is matrix? As I told you, strengthening is the inside. Matrix is the outside. Yeah. Okay. So for example, I choose one easier one. Okay, reinforced concrete. You see, reinforced concrete is inside the cement. They put steel bar. So what is inside? Steel is inside. So steel is strengthening. What is outside? Concrete is outside. So concrete is matrix. Just like that. Okay, so in optical fiber, it's like a wire, right? Outside is plastic, inside is the glass tube. So inside the glass tube, matrix. Outside the plastic coating, coating will be matrix. Easy, just like that, inside, outside. So we got optical fiber or fiber optics. Photochromic glass. Please remember, photochromic glass, it is sensitive to light intensity. Why is it sensitive to light intensity? Because it has AgCl and also CuCl, silver and copper chloride inside. Sometimes they will change, maybe silver bromide also can. Okay, now these two things. Later the question got reinforced concrete can withstand heavy load. So they can be used to build all these high-rise building. Fiberglass, one of the most important example for fiberglass is the helmet. Fiberglass is those very strong plastic. So helmet is also very strong. Bumper is very strong. Tanki, very strong. So in the helmet, you see a helmet, first, the outside looks like what? Plastic, right? So plastic is matrix. But inside, they actually got glass. Glass is strengthening. Sorry, here. Glass fiber is strengthening. And then superconductor, not very important, just like that. Let's do the questions. Let's go through the question. Is it this one? Okay. Here, question number 1. Copper and tin combine together to form alloy Z. Copper and tin. The alloy is copper and tin. bronze. Okay, so when you draw the arrangement of atom, how to draw? You draw two big atoms and then surround it with small atoms. In order to make it very messy, this is what you can do. You can do it this way: one small atom stick together with the big atom, and then another one doesn't stick to the big atom. 一进一出啦，它华语极简单，一进一出。In English means one in, one out. It also cannot. Okay, one in, one out like that. Then the arrangement will become very messy already. But you want to do it like me also can. I put one circle and then this one no space to fit in. I just put it outside like that a bit. Also can. Then you fill up the empty space with some small atom can already. Remember to label it not by the size, by the amount. Bronze is mainly made out of copper and a little bit of tin. Copper tin, like that. Aim of making alloy: improve the appearance, looks nicer. Increase the resistance to corrosion. What else? Harder, stronger, also can. Two characteristics of duralumin. You see, when they ask you characteristic of alloy, most of them is related to the aim of making alloy one, which is why we use this to make the bullet train. It is called bullet train. Yes, I think. Aeroplane. Well, after BM, I did. 奇怪哦 okay. So why we use duralumin? Because duralumin is light. Okay, it is strong. It is hard. It has high resistance towards corrosion. Yes, correct. Aeroplane has to fly on the sky. My God, got water vapor, this and that. So must be something that high resistance to corrosion. You just put everything in. Okay, easy. Name the element added to copper to form bronze. Tin. Yeah. Arrangement I skip. Why is bronze more suitable for making medals compared to copper? So they ask you why we use bronze but we don't use copper. Shiny. Okay, when you say shiny, it's actually the aim of alloy. When you make alloy, it has a better appearance. Of course, if you write a shiny surface also can. If you want to say does not corrode easily also can. Harder also can. Why? Because if you make it into medals, imagine if the thing is very soft, not like soft like rocky, but then if you apply a force, then the metal immediately bend already. Then that means it's very cheap quality. So you have to use alloy hard, better appearance, all this. Other alloy of copper is what? Brass. Pewter also got copper. Duralumin also got copper. Can I write pewter or duralumin? Cannot. It has to be alloy mainly made of copper. 就是主要成分是 copper. Brass and bronze only. Any question 3? Aurum is the main element consists in the gold. So they ask you the meaning of alloy. Alloy is mixture of two or more elements which the main component must be a metal. If you can do, you do lah. Cannot do, then never mind. Which gold bar is more suitable to make jewelry? Which one? This is 916 gold and this is 999 gold. Which one? Of course, like from the point of value, right? Of course, we all know that this one has a better value. I want this one. But then what you learn in the chemistry tells you that no, we want a better quality, last longer one. No value, never mind. I want it to be very hard. It doesn't bend easily. Yeah. So we will choose A. 违背良心啊. So we choose A. Lesser value only ma. Yeah. So this one. So we choose A. Like value, we don't care about value one. We just want it to be nice, strong, quality. Yeah lah. Okay, right. Sorry. What I want to say. Based on your answer in A2, compare the two types of gold in terms of arrangement of atom to explain your choice. So why do I choose A? My answer will be, is alloy? No, cannot like that. What kind of explanation is this? Because they are alloy? No. Arrangement, they told you already that in terms of arrangement. Yes, you have to say, okay, what gold bar A phase. So A consists of atoms in different sizes. Actually, you can just write atomic size. Say atoms in A has different size, like that. While B, in B is same size. So what happened is, you can say arrangement of atoms in A is disrupted. Or you can say not orderly arranged. Very messy. While atoms in B is orderly arranged. So what happened? Layers of atom in A is harder to slide over one another than B. Actually, the part that they will give you mark is actually here because they want arrangement. So as long as you got give arrangement, and then you say it is harder to slide, then can already. Harder to slide means it is harder. But of course, if you want to add one more sentence, therefore, A is harder than B also can. But same marks are the same point. Consider as one. Just like that. Name atom X. They said that atoms in pure copper and alloy Y. So this is copper and then alloy Y made of copper. But they doesn't say they want bronze or tin. They bronze or tin, bronze or brass. You can just write either one. It can be tin or zinc. Explain why alloy Y is harder than its pure metal. This explanation I write one more time, then later I will just give all the similar questions. So first, usually this kind of question is 3 marks one. So you don't care it's 2 marks or 3 marks, you always write the same answer, which is atoms in alloy Y are different in size. As long as you are able to say atom different size, then can already. arrangement of atoms is disrupted and then layers of atoms is harder to slide over one another. If it is 2 marks, right? If it is 2 marks, this thing, they will give you 1 mark. Okay, because normally you can actually put it into one sentence, which is atoms in alloy Y are different in size and the arrangement of atom is disrupted. So they give you 1 mark, 1 mark. Okay, so next. State the main component of glass. Glass is mainly made up of silicon dioxide or silica. One reason why borosilicate glass is most suitable to be used to make the lab glassware. Why? Why lab glassware you want to use borosilicate? The specific one, like withstand wide range of temperature change. You can't just write high melting boiling point, resistant to heat, because most of the glass has high melting boiling point. Most of the glass, the general properties is there. Heat insulator, resist to heat. But why borosilicate is a bit better than the others? Wide range of temperature change. Or low what? Gas expansion coefficient. Expansion is referring to thermal expansion. Okay. Next, this one. The bicycle wheel rim is made out of 2 different materials: iron rim, alloy rim. Explain in terms of arrangement of atoms why alloy rim is better than iron. Why alloy is better than iron? They give you 5 marks. Then you mention that alloy is harder than the iron. Why? Then you give the same explanation, because different size, disrupted arrangement, hard to slide. While the iron is same size, orderly arranged, and then easier to slide. Okay, for me, I will write like around 6 to 7 points for these 5 marks. Okay, just like that. And then, this is a wrong diagram actually. It is a steel. Steel is made of carbon and iron. Not possible to have orderly arrangement in alloy. Alloy is mainly used in the construction of bridge and building due to high tensile strength. Why steel is used in terms of its atomic arrangement? That means why we use steel? Because it's hard, right? When you want to explain that it is hard, you give the 3 points. Okay, size, arrangement, hard to slide. State the name of alloy formed in chromium. If chromium is added into the steel, stainless steel. Good. Next, a jambatan and surgical equipment. Bridge is made up of alloy Y, while the surgical equipment is made of alloy Z. Both of these alloy use iron metal as the main element. So obviously, one is steel, another is stainless steel. So stainless steel, two elements in the Z, Fe, iron, and also carbon. Arrangement scheme. Aim of making alloy, skip, harder, stronger, resistance to corrosion. R is an alloy. R is an example of alloy. What is the meaning? Sorry, skip. Major component for the following substance. Q. Q is mainly made up of silicon dioxide or silica. R is mainly made up of copper. Yeah, 很好. Draw the structural formula for monomer. Remember, if you want to draw monomer, don't put N. Must have double bond. Cannot have N. Monomer. Only process. You draw the whole process, then you have to put N. Just like that. P is often used as water pipe. One advantage of this pipe compared to iron pipe. What is so good about this PVC pipe compared to iron? Plastic pipe. Yes, Justin, very good. Winian, very good. Yes, it does not rust. Okay, it does not rust. Or you can say that it is light. Okay, it is lighter than the iron or steel pipe. Okay, just like that. And actually also because of low cost, but then we don't write low cost there. Type of manufactured substance. We got alloy, the monomers, and then to know what is that? Plastic container. Plastic container is under which topic? Plastic is under polymer. Yeah. Polymer. Okay, plastic. Hey, they want because you see, because they gave you this polyethylene. Polyethylene is polyethylene is plastic, polymer. If they give you fiberglass, then only you write composite material. So be careful with the example given. So this one, okay, done. Polymer, monomer. I skip this one. Easy. Do not need. One reason why polythene should not be disposed by open burning. Why? So 我们不要烧 plastic， 烧 plastic 这样开心，就不要烧 plastic。狗里有讲的话被骂。Yes, toxic gases. It releases toxic gases. 为我烧给你see。Okay, right? Name the type of alloy to make national monuments. Bronze. 铜像就是 yes you can give you can write air pollution also, okay, it causes air pollution. Bronze, two elements used to make this alloy, copper and tin. Why is it harder? 3 marks. Okay, the 3 points. Arrangement easy. Meaning of polymer, I skip. Name of polymer X. What is this? What is the name of this polymer? The uncle Jung Hao is fixing the pipe, and they gave you this. What is the name of the polymer X? Chloroethylene, wrong. PVC. Okay, PVC is polyvinyl. How to spell already? The BM always confuse me. Vinyl chloride. or polychloro 什么 ethane or ethene ethene. Okay, yes. Next, structural formula, skip lah. What advantage of X water pipe compared to metal pipes? Easy, same thing. Hopefully, this one come out in the paper. I really think that alloy has a very high chance. Alloy, glass, and ceramic many years doesn't come out already. If it comes up together with salt, let's say, imagine your essay section B, one is asked you to do 10 marks ion test. Another is 10 marks doing a coagulation of latex. Which one better? Of course, the coagulation of latex. Pray, just pray. Okay, next. What is this? Borosilicate glass is one type of glass that is widely used. Glass, silica, okay? Main characteristic of borosilicate. What is that already? Give me the borosilicate one. I don't want the general one. Polymer 只要是 polymer 它是你看polymer like ethene we call it as polyethene because when it open up the double bond it's actually empty one. You doesn't add H, so it's still called back ethene. Okay, yes, very good. Withstand wide range of temperature change. 很好，大家。Or the expansion coefficient okay. One use of borosilicate glass in our daily life. Yes, cookware. What else? Yes, the lab glassware. And then students always like to argue with me. Hey, you got use boiling tube every day, man? You got cook every day, man? Like that, bro. Like daily life is like life lah. Like maybe you don't use maybe the lab assistants use every day now. Okay, so I can't remember who argued this with me already. Many students what they say, got every day use that one, man. Okay, no? Then you don't answer that question. Okay, so this one, why is made up from the mixture of glass and plastic? Can I just write boiling tube or beaker? Boiling tube. I think can write boiling tube but don't write beaker. Since now you know already, you just write lab glassware. Glass and plastic, this one is a fiber glass helmet. Yeah. So what advantage of material Y compared to borosilicate glass? Helmet compared to boiling tube. Yes, harder. Easy, harder, stronger also can. Just write harder can already. It's harder than the glass. Yeah. Okay, then of course you can say light. Okay, like, sorry, compared to borosilicate. Don't put light, just put hard. This table shows manufactured substances in industry A and B and their users. Make bricks and potteries. Potteries, the girls always like to go to the workshop and make those mangkok, to make brick this and cutting this. So main component in substance A and B are the same. Name the component. Yes, kaolin, very good. If sand is called silica, then clay is called kaolin. State two basic property of A and B. That means like the general properties of ceramic. They are both ceramic, but kaolin is ceramic. Yes, ceramic is hard. Yes, insulated, heat, electrical insulated, electrical, whenever electrical insulated. In BM class, I only know how to answer in English. In English class, after I taught BM, then I can only remember BM. So state one difference for both substance A and B. Difference. Hey, by the way, what is the difference? Since both are ceramic, what is their difference? Very good. One is traditional ceramic, another one is advanced ceramic. And then, other than that, just now in front we got mentioned one. When we make, you see, the similarity is they both use kaolin. But then the difference is advanced ceramic, they add what? Oxide, very good. Carbide, yes, very good. And also nitrite. Yeah. This is also one of the differences that you can mention. For example, A is made up of kaolin or clay only, but B contains additional composition like oxide, carbide, and nitrite. Oh, I already. Next, tomorrow I don't want to teach. I don't want to teach Ken. State another usage of substance A. Usage of substance A. Other than bricks, potteries. Here's a way to. What is crockery? What is that? What's that? You know book, right? What? Wait, yeah, wait, what is that? Anyone know what is the meaning of this thing? Wait. You can write cookware lah, okay. Clay pot ma. Clay pot. You can write bowls, containers, pottery. Bowls is pottery. I think we can write oh, that is 餐具 okay. Oh, okay. This is 餐具 okay. 餐具 okay. 餐具 yes. Pottery I think pottery is the vase the 那个vase 花瓶 yes 花瓶 okay. Next, table 2.1 shows two types of glass and their composition. So this one, you see, now you gain already, when you see glass, you know, sure got silica one, sure got sodium carbonate. Okay, so okay, nothing special. Now we want to know what type of glass. Boron oxide must be borosilicate. This one got calcium carbonate. Is what? What is why? Soda lime. Yes, very smart. Soda lime. So they asked me which one is more suitable to be used to make this glass cover. Of course, the glass X. Explain your answer, then you give the property, which is low expansion coefficient, withstand wide range of temperature change. Just like that. Next, reinforced concrete. silicon carbide. Because they ask you the type of manufactured substance. Manufactured substance means which subtopic. Reinforced concrete is which subtopic? Yes, composite material. This one, silicon carbide. Silicon carbide. Sichuan, very good. Yes. Casing, very good. Ceramic. Carbide, ma. Okay, silicon actually kaolin. Kaolin is 粘土. Clay. Clay also got sand one. Sand is silicon dioxide. So this is like silicon carbide. Okay, then next. What is the advantage of using reinforced concrete compared to concrete? Why use reinforced concrete? Stronger. Okay. Harder. Okay. Harder, stronger. That one is for alloy. Okay. For reinforced concrete, you can write this one: high tensile strength, or withstand heavy loads or pressure also can. Because reinforced concrete is used to make high-rise building. When you jump on the like this second floor or what, it doesn't collapse also. High tensile strength. 不容易断掉. Okay, that is the properties for reinforced concrete. Don't write resistant to corrosion, that's alloy. Okay, next. Two pairs of specs made of fused glass, and this one is made of the photochromic glass. So state two photochromic material used in the spec lens. So in order for it to, like that, transparent dark, it must have inside got what? Yes, silver chloride. Yeah. Silver chloride and copper 1 chloride. It is copper 1 chloride. Must write the 1. So one advantage of photochromic glass. What is so king about this uncle punya glasses compared to the chip? Yes, they are sensitive to intensity of light. That means you can write the specs can it darkens. You can write like that. Of course, you can write like that, which is darkens when light intensity is high, and then it becomes transparent when the intensity is low. And then one thing you can also write is you can protect, this spec can protect the eyes from what do you call it? UV light, UV ray, UV light, I think. Okay, why light? Because UV ray, ray or light, ray, okay, ray, UV ray. Why light? Because the silver chloride and the copper 1 chloride, they actually absorb the UV and react. That means they react with, it's like a filter lah. Okay, before it goes to your eyes, the spec will have reaction with the UV. Then no more UV. Can understand? UV here, react. No more. The eyes, no problem. 好像一个不会讲英文的人这样。Okay, next. Sorry, 我被赶中。Okay. Next. It shows what is that? Maglev. maglev train. This electric train can reach speed of up to 581 kilometer per hour. Okay, Arvin asked me this question. Okay, I ask you all. This glass is made of, this specs is made of glass plus the AgCl thing, right? So Arvin asked me, which one is strengthening substance? Can you all tell me which one is strengthening substance? Strengthening is inside. Strengthening is inside. Inside means what? When you look at this glass, okay, when you look at these specs, you see glass or you see silver chloride and copper chloride. You see the glass, right? You see the glass means the glass is outside. So outside is matrix. Inside is strengthening. It's memang like that one. Like reinforced concrete, I see cement, so cement is matrix. Inside, the steel is strengthening. See the notes got or not? Later you say I bluff you. God, luckily, wait. How come two matrix one? Wait. Cannot wait. Wait, now later I find out. Wait, how can it like that? Matrix and matrix. Later I find out. Okay. Okay. Later I find out. Okay, this train moving at a very high speed. State the alloy used in the transport. Duralumin, yes. I don't know why the answer give superconductor. I know that superconductor is actually an alloy also, but this train you need duralumin to build it. Why? Because it's light, because it is strong. So when it moves at high speed, 它不会脱皮。如果你的车走很快，你的头伸出去，你的头就像沙婆这样，好像这个不会，干净利落漂亮帅。OK， 来English means duralumin is very good. Okay, next, page 18. This diagram shows that the cookware is made of glass. Name the type of glass. My mom also know already. This one borosilicate. Property, easy. If this chapter 8 got come out, I got. No come out, I doubt. Okay. After your paper, please tell me got come out or not. Wait. Okay. And then one use of borosilicate glass. Cookware. Lab glassware. Characteristic of one similarity and one difference between glass and ceramic. Okay, like similarity. Glass and ceramic. Similarity. Yes, the properties are which is like very good or hard, but brittle. Then insulator, okay, all this can write lah. Chemically inert. Chemically inert. Then differences. One is transparent, another is opaque. Yes, very good. Transparent and opaque. Okay. And then polythene, no need this one. What is the reaction to produce polythene? Very good. Efficient polymerization, yes. Thank you. One disadvantage of synthetic polymer towards our environment. Explain your answer. It causes pollution. Now you can write a lot, okay? You can say everything about plastic is non-biodegradable. Then I remember what you all taught me yesterday or this morning, I can't remember already. The breeding place for mosquito. Okay, flash floods, burning plastics produce toxic gases. State the name of composite material. W, what's W? Makes safety helmet. Fiberglass. Fiberglass and glass fiber is different. Why is composite material W suitable to be used? Light law, strong law, hard law. Almost done already. I think 3 more questions. Reinforced concrete is which substance? Composite. Polymer, chloroethene. Wait, this paper very new. Chloroethene. Okay, not going to draw lah. What is substance T? What is T? Bricks. Yes, and by the way, you see, students, silica and aluminium oxide is the kaolin, which is kaolin is also known as aluminosilicate. Aluminosilicate. Kaolin is the white clay. Got 2 types of clay, right? White clay. The vase, the white color vase is white clay. We also got red clay. Red clay is after they add iron 3 oxide, the brown color. Then the bricks of 砖头, 红砖. It's like add color inside. Okay. Identify glass R. Glass R is silica and lead 2 oxide. What is that? A glass that has lead 2 oxide. Yes, lead crystal glass. One property of R. What is the property of lead crystal glass? Yes, high refractive index. One use of glass R. Prism. Okay. Lens. Crystals. Okay, skip. PVC make water pipe, skip. Alloy S, skip. Alloy S, which has given composition. What is that? Copper tin, okay, bronze. What is the uses of bronze? Bronze is for what? Medals, medals, trophy, yes. Hey, write medals, don't write metal. You write metal, I slap you. Trophy, okay. Is it last? Okay, second last. All this thing is made of iron, carbon, chromium, nickel, stainless steel. Property? What is the property of stainless steel? Yes, it does not rust. They are hard. Okay, they are hard. They are strong, and they have shiny surface. Alloy, you just throw in all this hard, strong. Fused glass. Fused glass, composition. Fused glass is made of what? The cheapest, yes, 最简单的 glass, simplest glass, only made of sand, low cost. Silicon dioxide. When you have silicon dioxide, sodium, okay, this one nothing, calcium oxide. So when you have calcium, soda lime. Isn't it very easy? Hi, chapter 8, chapter 4, all this sub water lah. One use of reinforced concrete. What is the use of reinforced concrete? Yes. Bridge, high-rise building. The sky what sky sky something that one I can't remember already. Highway also can. Skyscraper. Okay. One advantage of reinforced concrete: high tensile strength. Don't write hard and strong. High tensile strength. Let me ask you this question. What is the advantage? What is the good thing about optic fiber? Optic fiber, fiber optic, flexible. Really? Why? 我看到好像实学的名字都对，不对？叫high refractive index 没有了。transmit data at high speed. Something like that lah. Transmit fast, correct. Flexible. I mean, we produce this fiber optic is. What is the properties like? The properties of the optical fiber. It is being produced not because of the flexibility. It's because of like they want to transfer data at high speed. Like that. So have to be related lah. Then this is the water tap is made from brass. The 水龙头中置金色bullet case. The casing of the bullet is also brass. So it's copper and zinc. Very good. One difference in resistance to corrosion between brass and pure metal. Of course, brass has higher resistance than pure metal. That's the difference. Water pipe is made from synthetic polymer. Name the polymer. PVC lah, okay? PVC In exam, don't write PVC, write the full name. Okay. One reason why polymer is difficult to dispose. Why very hard to dispose? Non-biodegradable. Okay, non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable. Major component of glass, silicon dioxide. Type of glass used to make boiling tube or roll. Why? Withstand. Just like that. Okay, we are done. Bye-bye. Good luck. If you are attending the class tomorrow, please do the exercise first. I hope tomorrow we can go fast like that also. I've got a question to ask me, then you stay here. No question, then bye-bye. Good luck. Bye-bye. The notes will upload in GC. I upload now. Now. Like Justin. Okay, like Justin, 我跟你解释Do the part 2的 book 我看心情，我还没有想好。其实我这几天是在做 extra class， 一定我做了跟8个小时 extra class。So 我等下睡前我想一想先。Of course 我们也会有一起做啦，我们也会一起做。我不会像这样子一直这样子这样那你就跟不上的人他们就哭了。OK 来OK 我回答问题先。OK 那我回答问题OK。CuO 为什么那个小洞要 empirical formula of CuO 为什么要从小洞这边收集 gas， 然后进行一个 test 原因是这样子的。我们在做这个 CuO 的时候我们开始烧之前before heating， 我们需要做什么？我们的 precaution steps 是before heating 的时候。我们烧它之前，我们要让 hydrogen gas to flow 几分钟，我们才开始 heat OK， 这样问题来了。 如果你看啊，为什么你要让它 flow to 好几分钟呢？然后你才开始 heat 它。我们要确保里面的空气啊，对，不要有 oxygen 啊，不要它有 oxygen， 因为有 oxygen， 如果 hydrogen 跟 oxygen 掺在一起的话是会爆炸的，这个东西就会产生一个 pop， 就好像我们平时 test hydrogen 的时候，空气中有氧气嘛，你的 burning wooden splinter 就会有一个 pop。所以如果这个东西它 pop 的话，可能会你的玻璃爆掉 something like that， 不知道啦。所以我们要避免这个事情发生。可是我要讲知道它里面是不是真的没有 oxygen 了呢？所以 that's why 他们才要拿这个 tube 去装，他要看一下这个有没有 OK， 他先 collect 这个 gas 啊，let's say 我 collect 啊，我要知道它里面有没有 oxygen 掺 hydrogen， 因为它 flow 进去一定会掺到嘛，我要知道还有没有掺在一起啊，我就会把我的 burning wooden splinter 啊插进去。所以这是一个不同的东西，平时我们都是放在瓶口，这个我们要插进去。为什么要插进去？你想看，你如果不把这个 splinter 放进去的话，你只是放在瓶口，瓶口一定会有 O2 的嘛。我要知道里面有没有这两个东西掺在一起，我一定要放进去。如果我放进去，它在里面也有 pop sound， 就代表它里面还有 O2。等下我就再等多几分钟哦。如果它是 burnt quietly without pop sound， 就代表 oxygen 已经完全被 remove 了。所以我们可以讲这个东西就是 detect the presence of oxygen law。我要去找到它有没有 oxygen 在里面，就这样。OK， 来，还有问题吗？So pop 就有 O2 对，可是不是要有 H2 对，要有 H2 啊！你看啊，你在里面这个 gas 在里面走的时候，一定会有 H2 咯 ，and then 里面也是有 O2 的嘛，我就是要看它有没有掺到，我才要把它放进去。如果我不放进去啊，空气中一定会有 O2 的嘛，我讲 test 都会有 pop sound 的。我的意思就是有这两个在一起，就有 pop 在里面。如果是只有 H2， 就是 oxygen 已经出完去了，它就不会有 pop。因为我放进去嘛，它不会有 pop 哦。因为你是让它走了好几分钟你才收集的嘛，所以它里面那个时候一定会有 H2O 的，只是要看里面有没有 O2 罢了。用 burning 对，用 burning wooden splinter 就是普通的 hydrogen test， 普通的 hydrogen test， 只是要把它 insert 进去。So the flame will just burn without sound in the end. Yes, it burns quietly without sound. I think 其实这个是以前的 setup 来的，这是旧的 Syllabus KBSM 的 setup 来的。你们现在的 setup 是没有用这个了的，没有在用这个 combustion tube 啊。可是考试很 pattern 的是哦，他可能会拿一些那种不同的 apparatus 来问你的，就好像这个也是可以做到 empirical formula， 他就拿来问你这样子。所以知道也是好啊，可是应该没有问到这样 details 啊。OK， 还有什么问题吗？I send you WhatsApp hi。看啊，什么？你要问的问题是什么？讲。你的问题哈，怎么就这样子吧？好了，坏咯，怎么这样子啊？不可能的，不可能是这样子的 graph 的吗 ？Rate of reaction 不可能这样子的哦。rate of reaction 没有人这样子停着半路的哦。你如果是有玩的话，一定有一条线的嘛。 如果它是超过的话，就要上去啊。哦，你看啊，我懂。OK，experiment 哦，那现在跟你讲 experiment rate of reaction collect 30 cm3，对不对？可是你的 let's say 你的 full amount 啊，你做完整个 reaction 是产生来80 cm3，你画的这个 graph 一定是整个从头到尾的 pattern 来的。你看啊，你在30这边是你的事情啊，可是我们一定是要 sketch 完的，没有人 sketch 一半的，一定是完。总之 sketching graph 一定是完整的，没有人停半路的啊，就是这样。就是你要画超过30哦，他放一半了，哪里有 sketching graph 一半的？真的咩？哦，OK，好，OK，好，尴尬。其实那天我看一个 video 好像也是有错的答案，忘记哪一个。OK，没有一半的，你做书那种其实也没有一半的吧？对呀、你可以这样子 label 啦，可是你不可以停一半。老师可以写 boron oxide，什么时候要写 SiO2 and 其他的？可以写 C，可以写 boron oxide，我看一下啊。哦，你看哦，哦，来，我跟你讲啊，你看啊，他讲 major component，major component 的意思就是主要。我们做玻璃啊，玻璃主要是用砂来做的，它能够变成 borosilicate 哦，是我要升级那个玻璃，我才加这些小东西进去。OK，明白吗？就好像这个手说你啊，就好像我们讲这个东西，这个玻璃它用砂做，砂可能是饭啦，饭哦，你可以升级变成炒饭，你就可以加这种小小的料进去，but then 那个 main 的东西还是饭，主角还是饭，就是占最大多数的那个人啊。But then just now my teacher also just draw until half only punya way. She somehow said the line cannot straight, need curve a bit. 对 curve OK， 我可以理解 curve。这个 curve OK yes。然后他画到一半，什么题目他画到一半？他的除非问题有讲他要在一个什么特定的10秒里面，那种才可以可能停在一半，不然 volume against volume of gas against set one and set two， 不可能停在一半的，没有人停在一半的，因为我那个 set 的 experiment 我做出来的整个 result 哦，会是这样的吗？你先我题目啊，大家那个 experiment 都写，等一下先啊，factor affecting 我看一下先啊，我们 ambil masa 33 45 5 gram 50乘以除1000 123 0.05 0.05乘24等于多少？0.05乘24等于多少？1.2。喂，sorry， 1.2 0.62就是0.6， 0.6就是600啊。我按下 calculator 先啊。哦，0.05乘2除2乘24，0.6， 0.6 123 600 cm3哎。 这整个 experiment 产生600 cm3，这样多了没 ？OK， 你看哦，我这样子的 graph 我一定是这样子画的，33跟45秒哦，33跟45秒不是它结束reaction 的时间来的。你看啊，33是为了 collect 40嘛 ？OK，let's say 我讲这是600，40在这里。你可以 label 这个时间 as 33，你 label 这个时间 as 45。可是你这个东西一定是要画完的吗？因为哦，你想看哦，我画完哦，跟你画一半哦，我们的 information 一样嘛？其实，你看我画完这样子，跟你画的那个我们的 information 是不是一样？而且我的是有收完整个东西，就是，除非他只叫你画到45秒，这样你就可以停这边。可是如果是整个 set one 的 experiment，一定是这样子的，一定是这样子。一定这样子。你可以问你学校老师，老师，我这样子画是这整个 set 的 experiment 吗？有问题没？错在哪里？你看，你 let's say 你讲你要这个，我的 information 我也是在这边吗 ？My school， 你的老师谁？蔡永碧啊，关气啊，我只能会讲啊，so far 没有这样子的 graph。我们 sketching graph 就好像我们讲 melting 跟 boiling point 哦，我们画的那个，我们讲一个 melting 哦，我们一定是这样子画完整的嘛，然后你才去 label 它的嘛，可能来一个80度，我不可能就讲我80我就 melt 了，我就这样子啦，我就停着嘛，其实是同样的道理来的嘛，我一定是画完完整我才去 label 它的嘛，因为 from 我的 labeling 我就可以知道它发生什么事情了。这个 is like 你明白我意思吧？看啊，其实你这种时候就你选择啊，看你是要，I mean 你选哦，你画一半，我画整个，嘿嘿嘿。OK，第二先啊，哦，是 Justina 的老师才有病。第二，学校老师有教过你们，老师有给你们画过这样子的 graph rate of reaction 哦，就是到一半吧。没有哦。The volume of product used and 等于 V 除 MV to find 对 volume 是这样子的，你看啊，volume 啊，那些啊，50 cm3 啊，你想想啊，50 cm3 的 HCl 1.0 mol 啊，我们要算哦，其实是算 volume of gas。我们平时只是拿这个来 number of mol 哦，0.025哦，其实是一个 shortcut 来的，是0.05，这是一个 shortcut 来的，就是我的 shortcut 原理就是我的材料如果一样多，我的 product 出来就一样多。当然，你也可以去算它的那个 gas， 你可以计算的，其实，因为通常那个 metal 是 excess 的，所以你就拿0.05 ratio HCl to acid H2 啊 ，I think OK 21，然后就是0.025哦，你乘24就可以了。因为通常普通 room 实验室做的 experiment 都是乘24的 room temperature 嘛，你就可以找到它真正的 volume，你就可以知道 讲啊，等下我给你看一下啊。Sketch a graph of volume of hydrogen gas in a separate to a same axis。55分钟。这是什么？这是该这题的答案啊，是吧？Then the 道理 is the same。rate of reaction 真的 sketch graph 哦。I mean，其实可以 OK，可以找课本，可以找参考书 everything 哦。这种 pattern 一定是不存在的。没有啊，没有啊。没有，不接受这个，我不能够接受啊，我自己。第一，我没有看过，I mean，可能我比较差，我没有看过这样子的答案第二就是我觉得这东西不 make sense 啊。我画完它有差别面，其实我 label 它 complete 的 graph，这样都会正确过一个有缺陷的 graph。这是我理解的东西啊。所以问我一定是这样子的。没有，你看啊，sketch 吗？什么叫 sketch？sketch 就是你看啊，它不是 plot graph 你讲你 plot graph，你停在那边，我可以理解。你 sketching graph 或 sketch，所谓 sketch 就是那个 pattern 对吧？我跟你讲哦，如果你去看哦，其实 state paper I think 也是可以找到这种 scheme，就是他们改哦，他们是看它的斜度1分，还有高度哦，就是你的斜度，就是你的 graph pattern 出来是对，这个东西就有分了的。只要它的 pattern 是这样子，可能有些学生画的是这样子，等啊 ，catch 哦，所以有的学生画这样子，有的学生画很大个，这样我们难道讲我那个学生他可以 estimate 到那个时间比较长，我的比较短？没有的吗？sketch 就是 overall 的形状对，就是了。然后你过后你要自己 label 什么，那个是你自己的事情。总之，我做完我的 experiment 是这样子，就好像我跟你讲的 melting point 啊，我一定是画完整个，然后你要 label 你的 melting point 是多少，你喜欢，好像你 label 80。then 我不可能讲它的下一个 point 是1000的话，我的 graph 这样子这样子吗？然后这样子，就是sketching 是这样子啊，sketch 一定是这样，sketch 的意思就是形状要对 ，pattern 对，完了，拜拜嘉欣，我没有骗你啊，Wayne，没有人画一半的，真的是没有人画一半的。可是你看丽儿的老师也是没有给他画过一半的。你不然这样子哦，我给你做一件事情啊，你 I mean 这个给丽儿，丽儿你老师谁啊？丽儿，喂，万用啊。我把这东西I mean 你叫 OK，丽儿问他老师，老师会 reply 你的嘛？辉华，你叫他问老师就懂了。如果他老师给的是一个 complete 的，OK 哦，这样 complete 一定对。如果他老师也给一半，fine 一半。可是这个东西我是绝对不认输的哦，这个东西 OK，好这样子啊，OK，我把问题先给你。 你要问老师，就是老师这个东西它是写这样子哈，40，我先给你第二，我先给你第二，我先给你第一句呀，这个。不知道我问回第二个问题，OK，这样子，你看哦，他老师给他是他的 pattern 这样是一半，就完了，就给我看一下啊，哦，OK，然后他老师讲不可以画完那我是觉得这个东西是一定错，我一定会画完，是这样子。当然我可以做 labeling 啊，可是我的 graph 一定是要到最后停着，这样子啊，OK，OK，好啊，来啊，你 send 我啊，你就要找参考书，看我可以找到这样的图案出来没有啊？有的话我认出啊。C4 how the NaOH absorb from me？ 哦，你看啊，是这样子的啊、Fe react with let's say 随便啦 Cl2 啦 halogen 一样的啦，它这个 gas 是一直 flow 的嘛，当它这东西 react 完了 FeCl3 了后，它多余的 Cl2 哦就会走出去。这个 experiment 哦，所以它一定要 carry out in fume chamber。fume chamber 的意思就是它多余的这些毒气哦要被抽走的 vacuum 走。可是这个东西你没有 fume chamber 的话，你可以做一个这个 setup 有两种方法，一个是放讲话嘞，哎，他们会放很多一粒粒的 soda lime 去 absorb 它，不然就是他直接把它丢进 NaOH。NaOH 哦，其实就是你的 halogen，你的 halogen 是不是有3个 reaction 的？你记得吗？halogen 可以 react with iron，halogen 可以 react with water， to 拿到那个 HCl、HOCl， 它也可以跟 NaOH react 的嘛。所以当它进来，它就跟 NaOH react 咯。它 react 的话，那个 chlorine gas 就没有掉了咯。所以不一定要写 absorb， 可以写 react 的。我们看这个 chapter 1看下有没有这样的图啊。第二，你要帮我问那个问题啊，谢谢你，谢谢你，就是这样。就是那个问题就是老师 rate of reaction or sketching graph 没有画完整，可以吗？因为问题只是给到40 cm3，我就画到40 cm3，可以吗？就这样，谢谢你。OK，我们等他拿。If I use 25 cm3 neutralize NaOH replace， 阿威这个东西，我记得我回答过你。然后 after that 我放到的一个东西就是strong acid 跟 weak acid 没有影响，它是没有影响 neutralization 的，它是没有影响 neutralization 的，因为 它是它是没有管它有没有 ionize， 它是直接可以 react 的。
后来我的 volume 会是一样的还是什么？
对，你给我在Google search 看volume of
因为如果你用一个 diprotic acid 的话，theory 来讲是少的嘛，不是会少吗？
diprotic 是因为它有2倍的力嘛。喂，等下先H3PO4 ，OK， 等下先这样讲的那些我们讲 mono 啦，当然我们讲 monoprotic 如果是 HCl 跟 ethanoic acid 它们 neutralize 的话volume 会是一样，可是你 H3PO4 的话就不同了，因为 H3PO4 在这边就是算 triprotic 3，所以 neutralization 没有分 strong 跟 weak， 可是会分 mono di 跟 tri。我 show 你I mean 有人讲 Google 讲是就是它 yes 它一开始的时候它是 ionized partially， 可是 the moment when 那个 reaction go on 的时候它用掉的 hydrogen 它会再出回来，就是它会一直持续的去 ionize 到它完为止，所以 in the end 就是它会被算是 ionized completely， 所以它 complete 不 complete 就不当一回事了。
那如果 heat of neutralization 的话，就是会比较少
因为它用它的热能去帮它你看在 heat of neutralization 你看yes， 你看在 heat of neutralization它 in the end 也会 ionize completely 的，对不对？
对
只是它会用热能它会用掉它的热能。对了，那个就是对了yes。
okay。
对，它会在那个 neutralization 的时候用掉那个 heat energy 去把它分解。yes，in the end 它也是会 ionize completely。所以 volume of weak 跟 strong acid， 总之 strong weak 在 neutralization 没有影响，只有 mono di 跟 tri。
OK，
就是这样。OK，
可以啊。
拜拜。
拜拜。
再见。